In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Gann tool for analyzing financial markets. This tool can be a valuable addition to your charting strategy, particularly when working with higher time frames that feature distinct swing highs and lows. The Gann is designed to help traders identify potential support and resistance levels based on geometric angles, and today we'll walk through the setup process and tips for getting the most out of it. First off, let's talk about selecting the right chart and time frame. The Gann is most effective when applied to charts with larger time frames where the price action tends to form clear high and low swings. These pronounced movements make it easier to discern potential areas of interest that the Gann might highlight. By focusing on these higher time frames, you'll likely achieve more reliable insights into market trends. Next, we need to select the Gann tool on your charting software. You'll typically find this option on the left toolbar of your platform. What you're looking for is the Gann and Fibonacci tools section, which you can identify by the diagonal line icon. Once you've clicked on that, you'll find the Gann listed among the available options. Go ahead and select it. This step is crucial as it allows us to add the tool to our chart and start using it to analyze price movements. After selecting the Gann, we need to move on to adjusting its settings to align with our analysis needs. Double-click on the fan and you'll open the Settings menu. This is where you have the opportunity to customize which angles you want to be visible on your chart. You might see options like 1x1, 1x2, 2x1, and so forth. Each of these angles can give you different insights into where possible support or resistance levels might lie. It's about finding the configuration that best matches your trading strategy and the market conditions you are dealing with. In addition to adjusting the angles, you can also change colors and line styles within these settings. Customizing these visual elements is more than just about aesthetics. It can significantly impact your ability to quickly interpret the chart. Choose colors and line styles that stand out against your chart's background and other indicators you might be using. This way, you ensure that the Gann lines are immediately noticeable, providing clear visual guidance when trading. By following these simple steps, you can effectively incorporate the Gann tool into your market analysis routine. Remember, the effectiveness of any tool depends on how well it fits into your overall trading strategy, and the Gann is a perfect example of how geometric tools can provide additional insight and enhance your decision-making in the markets. Enjoy experimenting with the settings, and may it bring you further success in your trading endeavors.